embedding your videos in blogs and other websites can help you grow your YouTube channel and get a larger audience. That's what we talk about today. Here we go. Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, your YouTube certified expert. And if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow a YouTube channel, or push your brand out there into the second largest search engine on the internet, you should click subscribe, start creating. YouTube is all about how much traffic you can drive to its site from as many locations as possible. And if that means that you can drive traffic from your own blog, blogs that are out there like Huffington Post or BuzzFeed that you can sign up, LinkedIn, that kind of thing, then all the better. And the best way to drive those views is by embedding that video into those blog posts or into those social media posts themselves directly. Now today we're going to tackle how you can embed it into your own blog, so let's go to the computer. Okay, so you want to pick a video that you want to embed. It can be yours or anybody else's. So in this case, I'm going to pick this one right here. It will load the video, it will play whatever advert that's required. That's fine, you're not actually paying attention to this part of your content. What you're looking for is the share button underneath your video. You will see there's the normal options, dig, mix, that's VK, which is like Russian Facebook, Tumblr, Blogger. But there's also an embed option. Now it's important at this stage to notice it here on the right hand side. If you want to start the video at any point, specifically within the video when embedding, then you click the start at and you choose a time. I want to show the player controls when it's embedded elsewhere, so the play button and the scroller, that kind of thing, then that's what that tick is for. If you want to enable privacy, in other words, you don't want YouTube to track who's currently seeing it, this might affect view counts, then you can click that option there. And you can either click copy or you can copy and paste it yourself. I tend to copy and paste it myself. Now you go to the website that you want it to be embedded on. In this case, it's my blog at alanspicer.com, where I store all of my tutorials. You dive into your admin, you click add new post. Now my blog is a WordPress blog, so here is your normal setup and you can just paste it straight in. It lives in a little box, or you can click preview and you'll see now that it's embedding itself, right? And that's what it will look like when it's on your website. Alternatively, of course, you can simply copy just the URL, and in this case, because it's WordPress, paste it in. It will auto do it yourself, and then you've got the two difference between them there. And then you simply type the blog around it and you are done. For more tips on how you can get more views for your videos, I've done a playlist up here. Hit that subscribe button for regular YouTube tips and tip tutorials. Go out there, start creating.